What are car care detailing things you need to know? Car care detailing is the method of overall cleaning of the car inside or outside to obtain the car in the finest condition. Hence, you must know certain things about car care detailing and why it is required for vehicles. Services in car care detailing: upholstery cleaning, application of wax coating, vacuum cleaning, dashboard cleaning, boot vacuumed. Need of professional car care detailing services. To clean your car on a regular basis is not enough for your car, that's why they need professional car care detailing. Benefits of car care detailing services. Car care detailing service makes your car look new because of its brightness, cleanliness and detailed cleaning. 1. Physical appearance. 2. Remove bacteria and virus. 3. Weather protection. 4. Value of resale. If you want to hire a driving instructor to learn driving like a pro, book one with us now. We don't compromise on your safety and hygiene. Visit us at www.carlearner.com.